What's up, party people? In case you're wondering why I'm wearing a hat, it's because my hair looks like a mess and I really wanted to film this video right now. Don't want to wait until I'm done with training, I'm done with whatever I have to do. I'm way too excited to open these packages. They've been sitting here for only a day, but when you're so excited about the topic like fragrances and they are sitting right in front of you and you can't open them because you want to make this video about them, it's a pain. But without further ado, let's get into it. So, opening my first box. I think that's the Sadik and Voltaire. This is him. So some paper stuff, more paper stuff. Oh, actually, here are Black Opium, 2 samples, Eau de Parfum Neon. Alright. And Dior Homme. Yeah, the normal concentration. It would be nice if they got a vintage sample. That would be crazy. But yeah, that's probably not going to happen. And another one. What's that? Try this new fragrance. Pull. What the hell? I think I broke it. No! Oh my god! I actually didn't want to try it. Smells pretty generic, but this packaging is awesome. Guys, alright, let's wait a second until we unpack the real fragrance. Look at this. You can zip this open, press it, and then you have your own little fragrance. But yeah, this isn't the star of the show. This is the star of the show. Yeah. As only for your soul, follow your soul. Wouldn't buy it. So let's get into the unboxing experience. It's actually a rather nice looking box. Is it the right size? 100 ml, yes. Some lettering on it. Nothing too special. Find your beauty every day. Well, there we go. It looks a little bit like it's somewhat of a sticker on there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Kind of weird. But other than that, pretty alright. And you can even, it's a little bit see-through, which I quite like, because if you get a black bottle and you can't see how much juice you have left, that kind of sucked. So let's go. So excited. Let's see. I'm not breathing in just to don't ruin the experience. Actually, this isn't a blind buy. This one, and yeah, this is the only fragrance which I haven't blind bought. Damn. Oh my god. And I definitely know why I wanted this fragrance. So, what can I smell? Is it good? Yes, it's good. It's good, people. This smells kind of goes into a direction of Lalique Encre Noire, very dark and mysterious. But this, I think, has more mass appeal, and this smells way more smoky and not this kind of nature wet forest like Lalique Encre Noire. So you can smell, what can I pick up? Very woody, smoky, incense incense vanilla. That's about it. And some woody accord in the background. Cedar wood, something like that. So I don't have the notes in front of me, haven't looked at them. Something like that. To me it smells like vanilla incense, very strong incense. And some kind of cedar wood in the background. Or some kind of woody note. Very dry, but it's quite different. And this is also the reason why I bought it. I wanted something different, something which is really stands out and makes a statement. I like it. Alright, let's take a look at the other fragrances. By the way, first time I ordered on Flaconi, but so far pretty good. 3 samples and very quick delivery, just like Notino most of the time. And this isn't some kind of advertisement they paid me for. They actually earned this advertisement right here because I just had great experiences with Notino so far. I like to order there. I actually ordered most of my fragrances over there. Just pretty reliable. Oh yes. So I'm very freaking excited about that one. Very, very excited. Here's some kind of gold accent at the top. The sticker. You know, Dolce Gabbana, the one or the perfume, is kind of like my favorite smell, not my favorite scent, because of the bad longevity. I just see a lot of praise for this fragrance, Dolce Gabbana, the one mysterious night. Should become some kind of rose and oud, and a little bit of these Dolce Gabbana, the one identity in the background. I don't know, I haven't smelled it. Hopefully it smells good. I really do hope so, because Dolce Gabbana, the one, is just such a remarkable fragrance for me. Maybe it can keep up with that. I'm not sure, probably not, but we never know. So, does it look good? It looks good as fuck. So, also again see-through with a golden cap. Nice. Clicks nice into place. Just like the normal bottle. I'm so excited for that one. Alright. Here we go. Please let it be good. Please. This is also kind of like why I like blind buying, because you don't really know what's coming. You get a sense of what's coming, but you don't know for sure. Alright. Let's see. Oh, I'm very freaking excited. Alright. I think I don't like it that much. I still like it, definitely, but not as much as Static and Voltaire this Alright, I can smell very strong saffron in the foreground, and also a little bit of, more like a lot of rose. So saffron and rose. Saffron rose, a little bit a little bit of wood, or yeah, also more wood in the background. So a lot of saffron, a lot of rose, and a lot of wood. Alright, this is very oriental. So I would describe my nose as being rather young, and I wouldn't describe this smell as smelling like an old man, old woman. The rose I'm smelling is actually quite crisp and a little bit of soapy, like really fresh rose. Not bad. It gets better. This rose comes out more and more. Alright, I'm very excited for the dry down. I definitely do like it. I mean, I like all of my fragrances, but I don't love it yet. But still, I don't regret buying this fragrance. Right now it also gets a little bit soapy, a little bit woodier and warmer. I think the amber comes out a little bit more. Alright, the next one, very excited for that one. Is it? No, it's a big bottle. Alright, Varvatos Artisan Pure. I hear tons of praise for that fragrance, tons of praise. Actually, my father also went on a little shopping spree for fragrances, and I also recommended him that one because it's not that likely that you can buy it in the future. So I was just like, you will probably like it. I don't know for sure. I haven't smelled it. Just heard a lot of praise for that. There we go. Jean Varvatos Artisan Pure should be a good spring summer fragrance. Very excited. You hear so much praise for that one on the internet. Let's see if it can actually live up to the hype. To be honest, I don't really like citrusy fragrances that much, but for the summer they're just great. And you can't always wear something really heavy, so I thought, alright, why not get a nice summer fragrance, as long as I still can get it. Ooh, okay. Alright. That wasn't me. I haven't farted. What's the packaging? I do have to say, I don't know if it's just citruses, which I'm smelling, because it smells like it's a mix of some fresh notes like lemonade, citrus, maybe a little bit of something even more fruity, like a mandarin, but mostly citrusy, lime, bergamot, something like that. Alright, I mean, it's what I wanted for summer, kinda. And I also do hope that it will get a little bit woodier over time. I heard something like that, I'm not sure, so we just see. A little bit of a check for the other fragrances. So this is Mysterious Night. This is way warmer right now. The saffron goes a little bit more in the background right now. Rose, amber, and some wood oud comes through a little bit more. This is still great. Damn, this is still smoky, mysterious. Damn. If this guy comes into a room, the Saltic and Voltaire, this is him, you really turn your head and be like, who that guy? Alright, I like it. So, the last fragrance is, I mean, you probably all know it, Mont Blanc Individual. I heard a lot of praise for that fragrance, also from Jeremy Fragrance, shout out. And I was like, is that really true? Is it that good? And it doesn't really cost that much. I got it for 24 bucks, which is pretty decent price. I mean, it's a very good price for a fragrance, but you can also get it a little bit cheaper sometimes. But then you most of the time have to pay for the delivery, and yeah, I didn't really want to do that, so I bought it with those other fragrances. Ooh, this bottle looks way better in person than it does in videos. Do you have to say that? Yeah. Alright. It's pretty damn slim, but looks quite modern, clean. But this is bigger than the bottle itself. It's a little bit weird. So let's put it on the skin and see how it performs. Or not performs, but how it smells. What? There's no fragrance. This is quite strong. Fabric softener. It really does smell like fabric softener. Very synthetic. The Mont Blanc Individual. So I do have to say, I'm not too impressed with that fragrance. I think it's my least favorite of the four I bought. You definitely pick up raspberry. I don't know, it's kind of weird. I'm going to wear it, but yeah, maybe I just have to take a little bit more time with it. Maybe 4 fragrances, smelling them at the same time is a little bit too much. But yeah, it's like a little first impression fragrance haul. You know, it's not an in-depth review. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it for me. Let me know down in the comments if you like this kind of format, or if you have something you like me to improve, then also write it down there and I do my very best to do so. Next video is going to be without a hat, without a beanie, but I was just too excited for that. You feel me? So I wish you a lovely day. Also give it a like. Don't forget that. Give it a like. Support some fucking small YouTubers. Have a great day. Out.